We, 씨투몬스터, are people from visual production industry with different career background from artists to supervisors. As a team specialized in providing related solutions for film, VFX, and animation studios. We have been provided technical support throughout our CE Tech Lab and try to set up better and more efficient production environment. We have been involved in many of projects with many different clients using various collaboration methods and tools. On the basis of such experiences, we have tried our best to establish a production environment which is far more efficient with a lot higher productivity level. Eventually, we reached to a conclusion that we need a process management and collaboration tool which is different from existing tools to deliver the optimal environment that we wanted to provide for the best productivity level. And we started to call our newly developing collaboration tool as Wormhole. After years of effort, the first version of Wormhole was born 4 years back. With the first version, we focused very much on efficiency level that it could deliver inside actual production process with people in it, together with our partners and educational institutes, rather than focusing on sales of the product. And finally, thanks to our partners' contribution, we launched second version of Wormhole in 2019, and response from early adopted users were pretty good, beyond our expectation. Wormhole is easy to use. In studios, it is like a battlefield every day with multiple of urgent projects. So no matter how good the product is in technology level, if the tool is requiring time or is complex to learn, the tool cannot be adopted. So we simply focused on requirements of each production parts from the beginning. As first, about artists. Generally, artists are suffering heavy workloads, so learning a tool additionally for management purpose is not welcome. So we focused on to simplifying UI to be something very easy and familiar to use. So we implemented single-page to-do list for artists. Any activity or functionality that artists are using are on this page, simplified, simple and easy. Task details, task versions, uploading shots and assets, they are all in this single page. Artist doesn't need to bother about UI or dig into functions anymore. So Wormhole is becoming a tool which is providing the most efficient way to check what's to be done, upload works and get review and confirmation by supervisors. Secondly, about supervisors. Supervisors are getting involved into each and every meeting and thus suffering lacks of time to do the review. In other existing tools, supervisors needed to find items required the review, open up some other tool to draw something as a feedback. Leaving comments were also time-consuming for these busy supervisors. To help the supervisors to at least see their loving family from time to time, we implemented an intuitive page for supervisors. Similar like a page for an artist, supervisors now have a dedicated single page for their work management. Wormhole reduced supervisors' time consumption for the review, which means review can be done within the deadline and now the whole project can be going on smoothly. The third is about producers. Yes, we all know we simply can't stop using Excel. Producers, they're too familiar with doing their works in Excel. So we implement a page for producers to have almost the same with Excel, so that any work can be done like using Excel. For example, copy and paste from Excel works fine. The way that we add shots and columns folded on the top is just like it happened in Excel. The fourth is about management. Almost all of management members said the same one thing. They simply want to know how much in the world that each project does cost. Too many companies are unable to calculate exactly how much they are spending for each project. So based on ways of calculating and counting budgets and costs collected for many studios, we have produced a commonly applicable standard formula to calculate cost spent per shot and per project. So we will be able to know how much of resources we have spent for each project and see which process is consuming unnecessary budget and how much. The fifth and the last is about IT and security managers. There are lots of studios who doesn't allow the internet connection for security reasons. Security is one of crucial factors in production studios, and such importance is making them pretty much hesitate to adopt cloud server environment. So Wormhole has been designed to set up in local server, and many of clients are using it in-house. And of course, if needed, for managing outsourcing works, external connection throughout web UI can be made. So at the end of the day, one physical server is storing data from one single company, which is perfect both for security and speed that many studios are in need of.